Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Okay, today we are going to discuss another website that I am using for 1 to 2 months, and that's really a legit website. So let's start. But before going to start, just subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. So I will recommend you all to join this website, and you can learn thousands of Satoshis, Bitcoin Satoshis daily. Okay, link of the website is given in the description. So let's start. This website is addbtc.top. Just you have to do is that you have to simply click on sign up. I have already signed up, so my account will be open, and when you click on sign up, a simple form will be open, in which you have to give your email address, your wallet ID and your username. Okay, then after that this page will appear. You have to simply click on start earning. You can see that I have 10,423 Satoshis available in my Binance, and in this video I will also show the live payment proof from this website. Okay, you have to click on surf ads. In this website you just simply, what you have to do is that you have to simply check the ads. Okay, first of all you have to solve the mathematical expression. It says 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. Then you have to click on submit. Okay, look, this ad is giving me 33.6 Satoshis. What I have to do is simply click on add. Timer will start here at the bottom of previous page. It says 24 seconds. What will happen after these 25 or 24 seconds ad, the total amount of Satoshis will be added in my account, my balance. Okay, let's see that. There are many ads. You can see almost 50 to 56 or 100 of ad daily, depend upon the website and depend upon how much time you are online for this website. Okay, look, it simply adds the amount of Satoshi in my website. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to withdraw this amount. So let's go to the withdraw. Okay, and look, my address, ForketPay address is given. So what I have to do is I have to simply click on ForketPay. Okay, then I have given the amount, then I have to give the password and click on withdraw. Okay, success. Okay, withdraw is successful. Now I have to go to payment transaction. Here is some payment transaction that this website has already paid to other people. Okay, now here it is written that your payment will receive on 14th 5. Payment request is received on 14/5 to 2020, while I will receive this payment on 19th on my Fokker. So I recommend this website to all of you to join, and you can earn different thousands of Satoshis daily basis. The link of this website will be given in the description box, and join the link. Thank you very much. Must subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.